Hello, fellow construction business owners. It's tough being a business owner, isn't it? I understand that. I've been in the construction industry for 40 years now. I've started my first construction business when I was 17. I found I own shares in 19 different companies now, and I found that it makes life a whole lot easier when you surround yourself with great subcontractors, with great people. When you find great people that you work with and you actually get results, as you know, it's so hard to get results in website development, SEO, and so on. So when you find someone like Nazim, you want to shout it from the rooftops, right? You want to share that, but not share it too much that she becomes too busy and can't keep doing work for me. So there's that concern. And that's why I kind of hesitate doing this testimonial for her. But she works hard, her team works hard, they produce results. So even though it might be against my best interest to do this testimonial for her, because it might hurt my business in the long run. But she's a good person, her people are good people, they produce good results. And like I said, it's so difficult to find good people in that space because everyone wants to get you on the first page of Google. Everyone thinks they can build good results. And out of maybe 10,000, you might find one and a half, but that's it. So when you find good people, shout it from the rooftops. I'm positive you'll feel the same way. If you're not looking to build a cheap website, because cheap websites don't do anything. It's not about building it cheap. It's not about how much it costs you to build it. It's about how many leads you're going to get, how many clients you're going to get, how many $400,000 additions, how many $550,000 additions, how many $1.2 million custom homes you're going to get. That's important, right? Not how much it costs you to build a website. The results is what matters, the SEO part. I hope that helps. Name is Leo George William Smith. Reach out to me on Facebook if you'd like, but work with some good people. It'll make your life so much easier. Take care. Bye.